guys, it's Cassandra again. Thank you for the comments on my last video, which was Here Without You, in the style of Boyce Avenue. And I got 217 views so far, so it's a good thing, I hope. So today I'm going to be singing It Will Rain by Bruno Mars, but again in the style of Boyce Avenue, so hope you guys like it again. If you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine out my door. Oh, 'cause it will take a whole lot of medication to realize that we used to have it all, have it anymore. There's no religion that could save me, no matter how long my knees are on the floor. Oh, so keep in mind all the sacrifices I'm making to realize that we used to have it all. To keep you by my side and keep you from walking out the door, 'cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, 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 yeah. Never be your mother's favorite. Your daddy can't even look me in the eyes. Ooh, if I was in their shoes, I'll be doing the same thing. So there goes my little girl, walking with that troublesome guy, but they're just afraid of something they can't understand. Oh, well, little darling, watch me change their mind. Yeah, for you I'll try, I'll try, I'll try, I'll try. I'll pick up these broken pieces till I'm bleeding, if that will make you mine. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. And there'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. And just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain.